In this video we will be get render of these table lights, which I get models before in another video, and here we will be get render and post-production in Photoshop. First of all, we get studio. This one will be our studio, like interior. I try to make this interior view for in this element. From here I get similar in here. I try to make this one like an interior view. For this side, in this view, I will be get by line. Right now I show you how I get. I first of all I get a line. After that I get extrude. After that I get right now in here also I get a line. It's copy of the last process. And here I get a line. After that I get extrude. After that right now I try to get material for this view. I will be get render in Corona materials. There is right now we see in this view how to make material for glasses. In here we have reflection and refraction. We put in here one for refraction and for reflection for glasses, and here the volume we put 1. After that we I try to get again in here Corona render, Corona details. After that I click in here to bring viewport. In this viewport we get in here for reflection volume 1, and also we see in here I set the volume for reflection and refraction. We put in here 1, and for glasses in here we put 5.8 or 5.9 over than 5, because the glasses is necessary for us in here. And also we try to compare and try to make in here every point of this control point. We when control, and we see our result on this texture. In here I bring to near for us in the viewport. In here we see the result of these materials, how I change volume of this point, and the result in the viewport also seen in here. The result is also will be a different. Right now I think for glasses it's okay. And here in the IOR also important the color of IOR and the color of reflection and refraction. So important we will be get darkness. And also we try to make nice material, nice view, nice render. Because of this I tried to get another material in here, also Corona MTL. In here I try to make also simple material. From here I get a color for this material, and also in here I get reflection, volume in here, and also the glassness, and in here we change also in refraction also we bring two changes in here. Our favorite material we make in here, just we change the volume of reflection, diffuse, and also the volume of glassness. And also IOR also importing this 4 point or 5 point so importing in here. IOR so importing if we put higher IOR, and that time will be seen the higher glassness. Nothing in here I put in here for our study this material. In here we are not higher IOR, it's like interior design. In here I put in here my camera which we see our view from here. I put in here camera. After that we get more control. I bring to near our modules. The camera will be seen in here by clicking in C in alphabet on the keyboard. You will be see this view. Okay, we also can get material from here. If you have by default material for Corona or for Where, we can bring by drag and drop, bring from here materials, and we will be assigned that material on our module. I bring in here materials by drag and drop, but I think I not need material in here. In this view, this material not necessary for me. I can delete this. I just want to show how to bring material which we have by default. I delete this one. And here you can see here a lot of material which have Vray or Corona renders by default in here, or maybe we have archive of this material. We also can use them from here. Also we can make our own library. I get a copy, and this copy also I bring changes in the diffuse colors from here. It's right now looking like metal. In here I get I just get darkness, and for the metal we need to get darkness, the glass material, and I will also get higher. It's okay. I assign by drag and drop this material. Also this material I assign to this lamp. Okay, I will be get another copy in here. I get this one copy, and also IOR I need another one. I change diffuse color from here. When you get copy of every material, you change name of this material, and also you can bring changes on that material. Okay, it will be assigned by this tip, and also I assign this material also. I will get copy first of all. After this I bring in here another color for the diffuse which I need. Okay, and also the color of reflection. Refraction is so important for us because the light is if you have different colors for the different lamps, on that time will be lighting on the room also maybe a difference. I try to make different material. Okay, I assign this one before I try to make little changes. Okay, I assign this material in here. Okay, I get another copy in here which we need. Also I try to get different diffuse for this materials because I have different lamp. I assign this material, and in here I maybe assign another materials or make another materials. Okay, for this light I also try to assign this one. I get copy another, and here also I try to get different reflection or refraction. And the glass is also important for us. It's too simple to make material because in this view I try to make a simple materials. I think it's so easy. Just I think in material we have diffuse, reflection, diffraction, and IOR. This 4 point is important. I get this material in here. It's okay, and this one also in here. And this one. This one I try to in this handle. I put material in this handle also. In here in this founding of this light, and also this material. We try to bring near our modules for a view in here. I need to assign material in here also. Oh sorry, there is a glass for the studio. I can't assign material, nothing. I bring to nears point view. After this, I assign. Sorry, also they are assigned on the glass. Nothing about the selection. I select this element. After that, I assign materials. Okay. And here also I need to assign material. In here I assign. It's okay. In here in this lamp, I think I need to detach the head of light. The head of this light material I bring in here modifier of table pulley. After that, by selection I select the head of light. I select this one and from here I try to detach this element which I selected. Oh my god, I lost this detach option in here. I try to find. This is detach. From here we should. Oh, sorry. This one is detach option. I detach this element, the head of light. After that, I assign another material. I assign another material in here in the head of this light. Okay. Sorry about this color calling system. Okay. I will be make material on another viewport of the material, this one. If you have seen on our in your 3D Max this material viewport, yeah, I try to make for you in this scene also. First of all, I assign material on the table. From here I control this material, but from here UVW map, in here this modifier. From here I control how to see our woods on the table. Okay, I get scale for these woods, being 2 years, and by this kind of step we can scale our materials, and I bring in this position, or maybe this one. Okay, also I try to scale this materials. I think it's okay. A little get up, get down, nothing. We try to fix your material on the box, maybe, or maybe another element, by the helping of UVW map and the modifier of UVW map. We can get more effect on materials. I a little perfectionism because of this. Perfect. I try to be everything perfect in here, no problem. Okay. From here our viewport I try to change to fix this one. Okay, our camera is selected in here. From here we get more control our camera, which I put before. I think it's okay. Just right now for the material I put this camera. How to get material. Right now I get material for the table, and also for the final render I try to get another camera. Nothing in here. I will be delete this camera, or maybe fix this camera. I delete this one. Okay, I get another camera in here for rendering. In here we fix and fit our camera. We get more composition for our camera. Okay, in here I think I need another letter or some element on the roof. I think this view is so nice for rendering. In here also I detach this element, the head of light. I try to assign another material in here, or maybe I try to make. Okay, in here for the head of light we need to make material which reflection and refraction in here is so important. I think in here refraction, yeah, important, because when the light is have effect, have lighting for the head of light, and that time the light almost get out of this head of light. Because of that we make a little refraction. In here we try to make little refraction in here to get chance for lighting to going to out of this head of light. Okay, from here just colors of diffuse like this one. It's okay. I assign all of them on the head of this lamp. In here they are asking for me, you can change this one, you can rename. I try to rename. Okay, this one. Okay, another material in here. Just a minute. I try to get also diffuse color in the reference and in the reflection and refraction. Also get copy by drag and drop. Okay, in this material we try to get another material in here, reflection and refraction and diffuse color. This 3 point is so important for us. We control from here. In here IO is so important. From here diffuse color also important. I think I choose this one. it's okay, just a little different in here. Also the colors so important. Okay, we try to fix this. I try to bring darkest little. I think this one is also in here. The reflection color so important. We need to get reflection and IOR. They are so important for us. Color of reflection so important. Okay, after this we assign in here. Also we rename and replace this material in here and this element. I rename this one. Okay, I assign it here, and also I try to assign this material in another lamps, and assign in here, assign in here, in here also, in here. It's okay. And also I bring in this view wireframe. From here I select and assign material quickly in here. Okay, after this I click the C key, I assign also in here. I will be click the C key to go to our camera view, and after active this viewport. Okay, and also we need to bring element for our roof. In this view we see before I get from here light or corona light. From here I get corona. From here I get sphere light of the corona. After this I try to put everyone on the everyone this light by the copy. If you get a copy from this light, it will be a copy. If you get a reference on that time, every control of one light they are getting effect to another light. I try to get in here by the copy. In here we can change setting of this light. Everyone have own setting. Okay, I by click the shift key and by the move key. From here also I change this light how they seem. Okay, shift key and the move key. I will be get a copy. After this I bring down. After this I will be another copy, and also get in here, and also I try to put in here, and also another copy in here. It's okay. In here we get little changes on our light and get scale. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Sorry about this color. Okay, in this view we can active the viewport of our rendering by clicking shift and plus F key. Also we can see how will be seen your viewport. Okay, another thing is in here I try to make from here element for the roof. Okay, by the drawing by line I get from here. After this I get the shell modifier to bring changes on the line. Okay, from here I active wireframe to how seen this changes in here. This is our line. By the modifier of shell I get effect, I improve this element. Okay, it's okay. After this on the top view I show you how put in here, and we will be get by the shift key and the move key. From here first of all I get material of the wood in this element because I needs to get copy. Right now I get a copy in here. After this I assign on that element. It's okay. I assign this material, the wood material. Okay, right now I by the clicking of the shift key and the move key I get this element copy for the roof. Okay, from here I click the shift key and the move key to get copy of this element for roof. It's okay. After that this element which I didn't need, I delete this one by the selection and I delete this one, delete this one, and this one also I didn't need, we delete this one. Okay, okay. Right now we have seen for the rendering. I run the renders by the click of shift and Q, shift plus Q on the keyboard. Right now, sorry about the cooling. In this view we see our first rendering step. Okay, it's need a few minutes, maybe 20 or 30 minutes, and we need for 50 or 60 pass to get render. From here also we control our renders, brightness and the colors, brightness, and also another option in here which we control our final renders. Okay, I finished first renders. In here I try to get final render. I go to render option, setting. In here I make the final setting, the final renders. It's okay for our final renders. These settings we bring changes in here. It's enable. In here we get this one. This is okay, and in here also I think it's okay. In here we get enable this one, and also in this one also we bring changes in here for final renders. It's okay. Also this one okay. Render elements so important because we will be get post-production in Photoshop. In here we should add, but I have this one. From here I assign the render element. After this, when we finished setting of our renders, final renders, from here also GRS importing point. In here the size of picture final view for the renders pictures. In here I put HD. It's okay. By the clicking of Shift plus Q, I start final render. In here in the viewport we see a lot of noises in here. From here we control our light and our another element which we see in here. I need little brightness for this environment. We control all of this light which I get. From here we control all of them. Evil light have setting in here. Okay, I bring another changes in here. I fix this one. It will be active. This one okay. It's our final render right now is starting. I bring changes in here in our lighting because I assign it's on the environment. Before I didn't assign this one, I assigned. Right now they have another effect. Will be finished this final renders, and this one is effect of environment. After this I finish render and save the file, and also I bring all of the element of renders in Photoshop. In here we will be start our post-production. First of all, I get the reflection and refraction on the top. We can see in here every element have effect for the final rendering for the post-production in Photoshop. In here we try to bring changes in our final renders. I bring this one also on the top. In here you can see this one is like width of lighting. In here I change this one, bring screen or multiple, nothing is okay. Or maybe the volume of quality we should change. From here they are affected to our renders. In this viewport, in this element, I get by selection in here I get the head of light. By the head of every light, this element helping us to get an EVR selection and select. In here in this one I get copy. After that I off this element selection, I come to app, and the copy which I get I bring it little like this one. Here have changes on our renders. Okay. Well, this one is, I think, you put in here like this, and have every position of this element have changes for our final rendering. We can get more effect on the final render. From here also I'll try to get another changes. This one, reflection or refraction, we also can break an app. The volume is also important in here. Change the volume of this element. Everyone have effect on the view. And here we try to get in here another effect. It's more light brightness for environment. I think it's have good result. I bring up this element, I put in here, I think this one, that one we're not, this one we put, we bring changes for the volume of this one. I bring it up, put in here, I get little changes in here, and this element or which is for selection, I just select, after that I turn off. And I copy from here, from these layers, I will get copy tables, and from here I will be select, and this is also for selection helpful. In here I invert, I copy, after this I bring another changes in here. In here I try to get more effect on our light, because our work is on the light, not on the background of this light. We just get a little darkness for the background of this view, background of our lights. I get this one little turn off, turn on, how they are have effect. From here I change, it's not for this view. I check and every of this element how they have effect. If it's bring changes, I turn on. If they haven't any changes, I turn off. It's so nice, this element so helpful for this view. Also I bring changes in here for our light. Also this element also okay. This one also I need to little brightness. Also in here I need also for this one for environment I need little darkness or brightness. We should choose from here. Okay, and also in here, so it's a layer of sun element where for the sun I try to turn off. I bring first of all little changes how they are, the light element how have effect in here, because the view is for night not for dim. I try to turn off how they have effect. It's okay. Then this one is also for the environment. And this one having an effect right now. And this one from here, and this one and this one, these two I get to up because for reflection and refraction is so important for us. We get more effect on our renders by the reflection and refraction element. It's okay. By the selection, by this selection element I select again this head of lights. After that I select this one, turn on, and also I try to copy from here. I select invert, and after this I copy of this reflection and refraction. I turn off this one and I get copy of this reflection and reflection by the selection. For the head of light I turn off this selection element. Okay, have effect very nicely. It's okay. I bring little changes in here. I click shift key and click this first and define the final layers, and I click the shift key plus control plus shift plus E key. It's give us a copy of the all layers. They are merging and getting copy. After this I bring this camera raw in here. I get changes in here for the final renders. I try to get camera raw in here, After this I get changes in here and bring little effect for the final renders. In here the camera raw filter is so helpful for the final renders. It's give us more chance to bring effect and to get nice renders. Every element in here helpful. You get down and up the volume of this. After this we seen the result. If any element haven't any result, we try to not get changes. It's okay. The background are darker. It's good. So nice. Little darker background for interior, this lighting, and it's okay. You can get changes in here how you want. It's okay. And this element for noising, denoising. After this we try to bring final effect. It's not bad. Can get more control and more changes. I think it's good. For interior we need a little darkness. Nice. There are changes which get okay. I get this. There is the last one and the post-production. Last one, post-production. In here I mix them. Okay, it's the last result. It's so nice, good result. I think it's okay. And here also we get more effect and we get little changes in here. It's so nice, it's so good. I like this work. In here we get little changes. We can get changes little. Snow meter. I mix them. And after when I finished, after that I will be merge. From here I think another changes in here later, like this one. It's like a gaming right now. Okay, I think it's okay. Result and post-production. From here I merge these two last renders. I delete this one, and this is our final work. I save. I like this job. Thank you for watching. And here I save, and the final, the result of our post-production. And for the next video I try to make another video. Thank you. It was helpful for me, and thank you to watch this video. Thank you.